We need to bring back dignity to how we all live.
Climate change, population growth, and urbanization converge to create unprecedented human displacement and economic disruption. Current housing approaches are inadequate for the scale of challenges ahead, making the transition to sustainable and resilient housing not just beneficial, but essential in building for an uncertain future. Housing is increasingly recognized as a basic human right, yet more than 10,000 citizens from around the world, surveyed as part of FDA's Crossroads research, rated housing affordability as a significant concern. Creating sustainable and affordable housing solutions is key.
How do we build these communities? How do we make it sustainable and more resilient?
The UAE and the Middle East is young, but it's also aging. So we're looking at quite aggressively into asset transition and solving the housing issues, the housing crisis. We have very high density housing, and we've got very, very low density housing, and the medium density housing is completely missing from the market. So we're looking at assets that our clients own, and they don't know what to do with them next. And we're helping them solve those challenges.
We need to bring back dignity to how we all live. Just because it's a new place, in this booming area, that we should create boxes, sell as many apartments as we can. Is it really livable, or is it like a little room that's worth 1.5 million?
New models and materials are emerging to help tackle housing accessibility and affordability head-on. Additionally, Build to Rent offers tenants the flexibility of renting with the security of long-term tenure. Reimagination and design of existing social and affordable assets create mixed-use communities.
So the designs you're creating and shaping and building today are going, how long, what's the design life for a home these days?
Well, technically it should be around 40 years, but I don't see that happening, because 20 years and you're like, oh, I don't think that
time
fits
for a refresh.
Yeah, so you just knock it down, which is not the way that I wanted to
be.
do. Yeah. If we start thinking our buildings in a circular way, we start designing it that way. So we start to disassemble our building rather than knock it down. So bringing all those concepts in currently, so that we have something that we can flexibly work with in the future as well.
Obviously, the earlier you start contemplating dismantling the building and next life for it, and building that into the design process, the greater the chance it's going to happen cost effectively.
Yep.
There's rising awareness of how infrastructure and land can be repurposed to deliver economic, environmental, and social value.
When we talk about buildings, we're just not talking about the facade and like how we do it, but everything around it as well. So the integrated and holistic idea on how we build it.
Housing is a key contributor to the fabric of any city, suburb, regional town, or rural community. As communities face unprecedented challenges brought about by climate change, societal divide, urbanization, and technological advancement, decisions made today shape future generations. Learn more with Nexus. Published by GHD, where ideas connect.